Begin by finding a comfortable place to rest. Let your body settle into stillness. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Again, breathe in gently and exhale completely. With every breath, allow tension to melt away. Your shoulders soften, your jaw releases. Your body begins to remember what ease feels like. As you breathe, bring your awareness to this very moment. Nothing to fix. Nothing to change. Only this breath, this heartbeat, this pause in time. Notice the air on your skin, the sounds that surround you. Everything is as it should be. You are here. Feel the ground beneath you, steady and constant. Notice how it holds you up without effort. In the same way, remind yourself that life supports you more than you realize. You are not falling. You are being held. Now, gently bring to mind the things in your life that you appreciate. They don't have to be grand. It could be the warmth of sunlight, the laughter of someone you love, or even this quiet moment you've carved out for yourself. Let each thought of gratitude fill your chest with warmth. With every inhale, breathe in appreciation. With every exhale, let go of hurry and comparison. You have already gathered so much: love, lessons, resilience. You are standing in the middle of everything you once hoped for. Even if it arrived quietly, whisper softly to yourself, "I have enough in this moment. I am enough in this moment." Feel how true that is deep within your being. Turn your attention inward. Think of the person you've become, shaped by every experience, every choice, every season of your life. There were moments you doubted yourself, times you thought you wouldn't make it. Yet here you are, breathing, learning, still unfolding. Acknowledge your strength. You have grown through difficulty, and that growth is woven into your character. You carry wisdom within you, earned through both joy and struggle. You are not broken by what you've been through. You are built by it. Silently, thank yourself for showing up, for choosing healing, even when it was slow, for choosing kindness, even when it was hard. You are worthy of your own appreciation. Let that truth rest gently in your heart. Now reflect on where you've come from, the people who helped shape you, the stories that live behind your eyes. Every chapter, the beautiful, the painful, the uncertain, has guided you here. Imagine your life as a long, winding path through forest and sunlight. Some stretches were steep, others opened into calm and peace. Every step mattered. Every detour taught you something essential. You've been gathering wisdom like pebbles along the trail, small, precious reminders of how far you've come. Take a deep breath and honor your journey. It's uniquely yours. There is no rush. There is no comparison. The direction may change, but the strength within you remains constant. Now, imagine standing at the edge of a new horizon. Ahead of you, possibilities shimmer like morning light on water. You don't have to know exactly where the path leads, only that you are ready to walk it. As you breathe, feel a quiet confidence awaken within. You are guided by experience. You are grounded by gratitude. The tools you need are already part of you: patience, courage, compassion. You are more prepared than you think. Whisper gently, "I am ready for what's coming. I trust the unfolding of my journey." Let those words settle like roots. Take a final deep breath in, slow and full, and exhale completely. Feel peace spread through your mind and body. You have taken this time to reconnect with yourself, to remember that contentment already lives within you. Carry this calm as you return to your day. Notice the soft hum of gratitude still present inside you. Know that you can return to this space anytime by pausing, breathing, and remembering who you are. One last breath in and out. You are grounded. You are grateful. You are ready. Go forward with peace,